bars are rolled really far forward. Yeah. Fun little bike, man.
Not bad, huh?
No.
Handles that shit good too.
Yeah.
You ever see Nathan race his out here?
No.
Bit like glass.
No, I've seen him race big bikes a lot, so I can imagine. Now,
Yeah, you look good out there.
what's does the Z125 seem a little peppier than the Grom to you? I've heard
Yes,
people say that.
It's peppier, but the Grom has more top speed. I also like the comfortability. Now, I'm a tall guy, so I need a lot more room to
Yeah, those are laid way out there, man.
I didn't even think about that whenever I did this, but yeah, I got mine laid out a little bit. That and Willie's, it just, I don't know, it just feels more comfortable to me where I'm a big dude.
I have a Versus 650 at home too. It kind of feels like a mini version of that, you know?
Yeah, it's so fun. I feel like I'm 12 on it.
Yeah.
Supercross, this is what I take to get transportation back and forth.
I live out in the country, but it's like if I lived in the city, I would love one for sure. But so many people are ditching the KLX 110s and just using these as pit bikes now.
Yep.
And if they need to leave the camper and run into town, they can.
That's what makes it awesome right there.
I appreciate it so much, man. Thank you very much.
No problem.
What was your name?
Randy.
Randy. Okay, thanks, Randy.
I got a gift certificate.
Okay. Can't turn down a gift certificate. The red one?
The red one. I like that red one.
Yeah. I like this one and the camo one.
I like the blue and purple wheels. I like to have the wheels on the red